Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a mini dress tutorial for keyrings. I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook which is equal to 2 mm and a 3-ply cotton yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains for our project. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and then 16. So after making 16 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2, which will not be counted as a stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook like this. Go into this ring of chain, draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. This is called our double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Make double crochet 3 into this ring of chain. Then make double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and in this way we would make total of 32 double crochet stitches on these 16 chains. I have made 32 double crochet stitches here. Now make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch, and now cut this starting yarn end which we have woven inside these stitches already. So now to start the next round, we are going to work only in 8 double crochet stitches here for the bottom part of our frock. So make 2 chains, go into the same stitch where we have made slip stitch, make double crochet 1 into it, go into the second stitch, make double crochet 2, into the third stitch, make double crochet 3, into the next one, make double crochet 4, into the next one, double crochet 5, then double crochet 6, double crochet 7 and double crochet 8. And now these are 8 stitches. We are going to skip 8 stitches again from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and into this 9th stitch we are going to work, and this is our armhole for mini dress. So we are going to make 1 double crochet into the 9th stitch. 8 stitches are left for the armhole here. Now we are going to make 8 double crochets in the next stitches. So double crochet into the second stitch, third double crochet into the third stitch, then double crochet 4 into the next one, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7 and then double crochet 8, so we have 8 double crochet stitches here, and here are 8 double crochet stitches for the second armhole, and we are going to make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch of this round. Now you can see the actual shape of this baby dress or baby frock, mini dress or mini frock. Now make 2 chains and we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches in each of these stitches. So make double crochet 1 in the same stitch where we have made slip stitch, and then make double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Then into the second stitch make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. Go into the next stitch, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. We have total of 16 stitches in this second round, and in the round we are going to make 2 stitches in every stitch, so we would get 32 stitches in this third round at the end. So make 2 double crochet stitches in each of these previous stitches till the end. So now make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch of this round, and for the third and final round with this red color we are going to make 1 double crochet in one stitch. Make 1 double crochet in this stitch, and into the next one we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch like this. Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then make 2 double crochet stitches in the next stitch. Double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Then 1 double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochet stitches into the next stitch. So we are going to repeat the pattern of making 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet till the end of this round. And now we are going to make a border design with white color. Make a slip knot of this yarn first, and then make a slip stitch into the very first stitch with this white color yarn. Now make chain 1, make a single crochet like this into the same stitch. Cut the red color yarn, make knot 2 times of these 2 yarn strands to secure the work. Now make 2 chains, 1, 2, and we are going to work in this single crochet stitch. Make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 in between this single crochet like this. Skip 2 stitches into the third one, make a single crochet, make 2 chains, and now we are going to work behind this single crochet stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 behind this single crochet stitch like this. Skip 2 stitches again, go into the third one, make a single crochet stitch, then make chain 1, chain 2, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 behind this single crochet stitch. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet into the next one, again make 2 chains, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 on the side of this single crochet stitch. Skip 2 stitches and a single crochet into the next stitch. So repeat this border pattern till the end. In the end, make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, and then remove the extra yarn strand. Weave all these yarn ends with the help of needle, and I am also going to attach a bead. So I have attached a bead with the help of needle as well in the center of this mini dress. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. You can use it for different purposes. You can make earrings and you can use it as bag tag as well. So give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this in future. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.